Hey, it's Nick Doherty here from Forest Hill Real Estate, and today I'm going to be going over the numbers year over year from April 2020 to April 2021, so you are fully aware what we have seen in the real estate market here in Orillia. So let's get into that right now. So the number one stat that I would like to go over is how many active listings we have saw April 2020 to April 2021. As you can see, active listings 2020, we had 111, and in 2021, we've had 46. That's less than half the amount of active listings we're seeing coming to market year over year. Number two, number of sales. In April 2020, we've seen 29 during the month, and now we're seeing 80. And again, this is in the residential market space in Orillia. So that's quite a significant difference just between those two, which creates that supply and demand, lack of inventory out there with an influx of buyers. Now, when we go to the third stat, the most important stat that most people like to know, what is the average sale here in Orillia? What is happening in the residential space, the average sale price here in Orillia? So the average sale price in Orillia 2020 was roughly approximately $484,000. Fast forward to 2021 in April, we're looking at $640,000. That's an incredible increase year over year. So if you're in the real estate market, or you've had an investment property, or you're able to downsize or go to a different location, or maybe I've heard of even people moving out west, you can capitalize on this market and really build some equity here and build your net worth. Now, when we go to look at days on market, last year we were at 27, and this year we're at 10. And I'm sure as you're aware and what you've saw out there or heard out there, properties don't last too long. The majority of the properties out there are gone within a matter of days. And we're definitely seeing that in the market right here in Orillia right now. Close price to list price. Usually if it's listed, it was selling just under list price at 97.6% in 2020 in April. And now in 2021, again, we're seeing places, the majority of the places are going over asking, 108.3%. So slightly over, about 8% over asking. Months of inventory out there, stat number 6, we're seeing it was about 4 months of inventory. So if everything got sold up and nothing new came to market, all the real estate would have been gone within 4 months. Here in 2021 in April, 1 month. So if nothing comes to market in 1 month, there's no more real estate. There's gonna be no more sales happening. So there's not too much inventory out there. And again, there's an influx of buyers specifically coming to the Orillia area. Now, when you look at the average sale price, I've broken it down. What is that year over year? We've had a price increase year over year from April 2020 to April 2021. We're seeing a 24.4% increase in prices. That's an incredible increase year over year. And if you're able to capitalize on this, even if you bought in a couple of years ago and now you're seeing this increase, it's a huge increase in your net worth and equity in your property. You might be able to refinance, put that into other assets. So it's nice to see this increase, and it's nice to see that Orillia is finally getting the attention that it deserves. Again, these are your market stats from April 2020 to April 2021. If you have any questions, comment below. I would love to hear from you. Again, I'm Nick Doherty from Forest Hill Real Estate, and I will see you on the next video.